Okay, I thought I'd show you a little tip on how I made these cards. I just put these cards quickly together this morning using one sheet of 6x6 paper, this red tartan, that the other side is the lovely stars. So I'm very happy with these. I just used some scraps that I had, scrap circle I already had could stamp on, used a scrap of paper. So some of these I've decorated the inside already as well, using some scraps as well. So just got a tip that will help you make these much more easily. You need your trimmer, of course, and you need a piece of pattern paper. This is actually a double-sided piece of paper from the the Mini Catalogue, the Hydrangea Hill. Love these hydrangeas. So it works with 12x12 paper, obviously, too. So what you're going to do is you're going to be cutting this asymmetrically, and you want to line one point up with the 1.5 inches mark there. And the 1.5 inch mark here is right at the end of the lighter colour here on this side of the track. So diagonally move that across, just line that up. You'll find when you do that that always you get a little bit of movement here. So just readjust it here up to that 1.5 inch mark again. Then use your black trimmer blade to just slice through that. Gently open that up so you're not moving it. And then you just take a post-it note. This is one I've used before. Just use that to temporarily hold those bits together. Oops, I think I've got that around the wrong way. It'll work better if I do it that way. Okay, so that's going to hold those bits together because now I want to turn them without moving them, without disturbing them. So again, line that up on the 1.5 inch mark and line this diagonal up on the 1.5 inch mark. Then just adjust that slightly, check both edges, and again, you're going to bring that down and slice through. Lost a bit of my post-it, but all the sticky's still on here, so I'll just pop that back on the stack and save that for another use. And now you've got these all cut, they'll actually all end up being the same size because of the way you cut them. Now with this one, because I've used a non-directional print, I can use them for landscape or portrait orientation cards, or I could use the other side too, which is very pretty. But I've already got some card bases I prepared. Stamping up makes it very easy to coordinate. We've got, this is the paper here on the catalogue, and it actually tells you the colours that are in the paper. We've got Rococo Rose and Seaside Spray, which are sadly retired now, but I'm using up my stock, and I recommend you do the same if you've already got it. These are current colours, the Misty Moonlight, Old Olive and Highland Heather. Obviously you can use other colours, but sometimes on a Saturday morning you don't want to have to think too hard. Okay, so you'll just be able to audition, see which of these you like best. I could use that one, that looks really nice. You could also turn this so that you've got the landscape orientation. You might even decide that you would like it better that way. So you've got a number of options. I'm going to put these together, and I'll come back and show you another tip tomorrow that's about stamping the sentiment to line up with the diagonal side there. I'll give you a quick tip for that one too. The great thing about this card is that there are no leftovers from the paper. You use it all up, and it works with metric or imperial. So if you're in a part of the world where they're still using the inches, you'll still be able to make this exact same card. It will work well on your card base too. Okay, hope to see you tomorrow too. Goodbye.